Riding 248 out here. I know it's been a minute since I made a YouTube video, but y'all gonna have to give me a minute because I gotta get another GoPro camera. My camera fell off my bike, fell off my helmet when I was riding my motorcycle. I'm out here at Sharonville DNR gun range, and these homies that I ride with, my boy Bear, my boy Wiz, and my man's Mike. We ride. So hey, that's what we do when we not riding. We love to come and burn off some ammo. Look at this motherfucker right here. This motherfucker needs some help.
Motherfucker putting belt the ass over there. I'm about to stand back up. Oh no. At this point, I don't know what the fuck I'm saying. I don't know why that was just so fucking funny, bro. Motherfucker sound good.
Yeah, we're recording.
All right. Give me from the side if you can.
Yeah, okay.
So demanding.
That first one off, I have my pulling with my finger instead of my tip.
It's funny, he fell out. He was like,
Nice.
cover. Yeah, on the red dot.
From the side. Give me from the side.
No, we trying to see if you hit something.
Yeah.
No diddy.
Pause.
Close. But no bueno.
I know, right?
You got the bottom left.
Nice. All right.
Yeah, I looked at the calendar before I came out. I was like, fuck. What was that? Is that hot?
I don't know.
Yeah, I got one loaded up. Pull that pin back, yeah.
next door.
Oh, damn. You sure did. All right, my boy Wiz. That's right. Show him. Let's see what you made of. Yep. There you go. Yep.
Powerful ass bird shot.
Yeah, that's what I noticed because my arm is, my shoulder starting to mess with me.
I'm like, damn. Bird shot don't even pop like this.
It's the slugs that's supposed to hit harder.
Uh-huh.
That's what a wad will do to your ass, especially when you come fucking around breaking in my house.